New background, new background. What do you think? I like it. Do you? Woo! Hey y'all, it's Ellie. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing our February 180-degree box unboxing. If you missed my last month's video where I opened the January box, I was a little bit confused with the curation, but then once I started to use the products, I just fell more and more in love with it. So I take back what I said. The curation was really there for me, and honestly, the products were so good. I specifically have been loving the shampoo and conditioner set. I can't find it anywhere online, but I am completely in love with it. So if you're unfamiliar with the brand, definitely let me know where to find it down below. But I'm super excited to dive into the February box. The February box is already sold out, but if you want to pre-order the March box, I will leave a link down below for you. I don't have a code, but if I can find a code for you, I will definitely leave that down there too. Let's see what's inside. So this is what the actual box itself looks like. I think this is so pretty, and the quality of this box is absolutely amazing. On the inside, we have the cards, and then it's taped so beautifully. So this says love, 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 self-love, and it's just a cute little art card. And then we have the little brochure that has all of the information about the products themselves, as well as some different descriptions about what's in the box. The theme for this month is blush, which is super cool. And it looks like we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 products this month, plus a free item. So really excited to see what products we have here. Oh my goodness, it's so pretty. Okay, so this is what it looks like when you open it up. This is gorgeous. I am so excited. Okay, so the first thing I'm seeing in here is this Elements Ayurveda Power Rose Cocoa Mix drinking chocolate. Excuse me, that sounds fantastic. It says rose cocoa mix, so I'm curious if there's actually a rose flavor to it, or if it's something different. Maybe it's pink. Relish in the chocolatey indulgence powered by Ayurveda, the ancient adaptogenic superfood, and clean ingredients to satisfy your sweet tooth minus the guilt. Okay, well that's fantastic. I've definitely been trying to be a little bit more healthy, so I'm excited to have a nice little treat for myself. I'm excited to try this out, plus having a Galentine's Day, so I think this would be really fun. Okay, then we have another kind of food item, and this is the Better Than Good Foods Veggie Infused Protein Breakfast Puffs in strawberry and cream. These look great. These are GMO-free, soy-free, nuts-free, and gluten-free, so that's pretty cool. I've never tried anything like this, and it says there's 2 cups of fruits and veggies in here, which is 25% of your daily vitamins. So that's pretty exciting. Low sugar, low carb, but not low in taste. Okay, cute. I'm excited to try these, so let's go ahead and try them out. They almost kind of look like Captain Crunch, which is one of my favorite cereals. So this is kind of what it looks like. Oh my goodness. What? Okay, that's delicious. Only 4 grams of sugar. Okay. I know what I'm gonna be doing when I'm done filming this video. That's delicious. Okay. That's definitely my favorite so far. I mean, we're 2 products in, but I'm already all over it. Then we have our free gift for the month. This always comes in a cute little red bag. It's usually a jewelry item. And let's see. I got the gold. Okay, so these could come in gold or silver. I pretty much only wear gold jewelry, so I'm happy to have the gold ones. And these are some little heart charm earrings. I'm so excited to wear these. These are so cute. Okay, so this is what they look like. They're kind of like a paperclip style. I love this. Okay, so how do you, oh, it's so easy to open too. Okay, great. Those are gonna be, I'm really excited about these. Okay, fantastic. I love them. I love them, they're so cute. Okay, beautiful. Then we have this, which looks like a travel jewelry organizer. So this is what it looks like here. This is really cute and it's pink. I actually have been needing something like this, so I'm really happy to have one. Oh, it's adorable. Okay, so you have some spots here for some necklaces, some rings and earrings and bracelets. This is really nice. I don't know if it's actually made of leather, but I really, really like this. Vegan leather jewelry box. Okay, beautiful. Well, I'm really excited about this. I think these are great to have and I love the little pink color, so that's super cute. Then we have the Petty in a Box 4-step system. This comes with a sea salt soak, a sugar scrub, a mud mask, and a massage butter, and it's for your feet. And this is Chocolate Love. Okay, look how fun that packaging is. Sorry, my light is just making it difficult here, but you can see that it's chocolate. That's really cute. Beautiful. Okay, well, that's really fun. I'm excited about this. And then we have a sponge gel. Always nice to have. I feel like these are so great for travel and they're just really fun to use as a little treat for yourself. Let's see what scent this one is in. I can't read. It's right there. It says Black Orchid. Okay. So if you've never used a sponge gel before, it's basically a soap infused or a body wash infused loofah. Comes like this and it's all plastic wrap. Ooh, that smells real nice. Okay, I'm pretty excited about this. Then we have some olive oil and sea salt artisan crackers. These are so cute. I love this packaging. Okay, I'm not gonna try these right this second, but these are cute. Okay, they just look like standard crackers. Love these. Looks like you get 5 crackers in here. So a little small, but super cute if you're just doing a little charcuterie gift or just want a little treat throughout the day. These are fun. Ooh, this is pretty. Okay, we have something in some bubble wrap, and this is Summer and Rose Relaxing Bath Salts. Look how gorgeous this packaging is. Okay, so you get rose, green tea and rose, and chamomile and rose. So again, not the biggest fan of rose myself, but ooh, I can actually smell it through the packaging. And honestly, it smells really nice. Then we have a facial bar from Dr. Botanicals. This is the La Rose facial bar. Let's open this up. Oh, wow. Okay, so it's just already in here. It looks like it kind of melted a little bit in the box. Not a ton. I don't know. It's not a bad smell by any means. It's just not quite what I expected. I'm unsure. I'm unsure about that. And then I don't know if you can see, but the inside of the box has a little bit of the melted soap. Not a big deal. Not a big deal at all. But interesting. I'm excited to try it for sure. It's definitely getting a little bit of waxiness on me, but interesting. And then we have some Boody, B-O-O-D-Y. I think I've actually gotten a bra from them in a wantable box before. I could be wrong about that, but I'm pretty sure I have. And these are the women's chunky bed socks. They come in basically a paper bag, which is kind of cute. And then you open that up. Yeah, it's literally just a paper bag. Oh, wow. Okay, these are really cozy. Wow, they're so nice. Okay, so these are some thick socks. Oh my goodness, these are so cozy. And then they say booty, body. I don't know. Let me know. But these are really, really cute. Okay, I'm actually pretty excited about these. I always love getting a nice pair of socks, and these are super high quality. Okay. So that is amazing. That was everything in this box. This blew my mind. I'm honestly very, very impressed with this box. I'm so excited about this. I think this is such a good box. Probably one of my favorite subscriptions that I've ever opened. This one really blew it out of the water. I'm so sad that this box has already sold out. But if this one is this good, I feel like the March one has some really exciting things in store. So if you'd like to pre-order that, definitely go ahead and do so in the link down below. thank you so much for coming and hanging out with me today. I really, really appreciate you being here, and I hope that you choose to stick around and subscribe. If you do, I will see you in my next video, and in the meantime, I hope you have a killer day. Bye!